So adding in a questionnaire, new questionnaire, adding a questionnaire title for this, which I'm going to search for later. I need a section. You need a section to add the questions. So you're adding the questions to work-related expenses in this case. In this case, it's a data table, 2 columns wide, one with currency, one with the text and the amount. Don't forget to add in the title for the question. And then you can see I duplicated that, so I can reuse the data table just with a different set of questions. Of course, it's probably better to add in the description as you're going. Now I'm going to add in another section in relation to another topic. This is the rental property. In this case, I know the client's got a rental property. I just need the annual agent summary, which I know they always give me. And probably I should add a description. So now a data table, if I just want the facts, like for instance, in this case, I want the interest, the annual interest. This is the currency amount. And then here I can add any other kind of questions I want. So I'm just going to show you through all the other types of questions. If you want multi-area, you can have multi-area. Play around with this as you go. Yes, no questions. As the select one or the other, you can actually go and have a look at our video for that on conditionals. Date selector. So when you're asking for a specific date. And this is what it looks like. So you can go to that preview at any point. Then another question, maybe this one's going to be the address. So if you want to have a look at what this is going to look like, you'll see in a moment. Then the conditionals, which I said I'll show you in a separate video. You've seen these other ones. And then the option for another section where this time we're asking for confirmation that the information is correct. If this is what you feel you need to put in here, just get the client's confirmation that they're agreeing that the information is accurate. And then I'm going to search for my client. So I've got James Henry Doe, and I'm going to send this questionnaire off to him. I'm going to put a title in there, custom title. I'm going to select that questionnaire that I just created. So remember the name of the questionnaire when you get to the spot. And there the email is. We send it off. Client gets the email, views that questionnaire, and then they can work through giving you the answers. Very simple. So drill, certain amount of dollars. Hammer, certain amount of dollars. Done, noting the done point. Or they can mark it as a draft if they want to come back and deal with it later. Boots, adding any, in this case I'm just adding an arbitrary doc just to demonstrate the ability. The amount for the interest. The address, this is demonstrating that address ability. So auto-filling the address. The agreement. And that's done. And then you can head back to seeing how that's come through. That's completed. And you could find all the information in there.